Starting by opening the program, file new, opening a new project, you will find presets. Presets you can choose. You can choose this preset. Hitting play button. After playing, you will choose the movement of the text and the shape, the presets you choose. You can apply your edits. Just double click on the text to edit and modify it. Type your own text. After typing the text, you can edit your movement, color and shape. Let's text lesson tutorial demo 4 and hit OK. You can change the font. Choose this one and hitting to the color. Change the text color. Changing the bevel color also. You can use this one and choose this one. Then you can apply texture. Also for the text, change the texture and reflection of the color. You can edit the depth, thickness and the bevel thickness from these tools. You will see 10 seconds and you will need to add keyframe. Pressing the green button. The shape will start to move according to its position on the time frame. Each red mark represents the point it will move. Each red mark represents a keyframe. You can delete it by pressing minus red one. Choose this keyframe, press minus, it's deleted. If you want to add it, press plus button. Change its position, change the light, change the text position, decrease its size, decrease thickness. After making your changes, press adding keyframe. Then change the color. After changing the color, you need to press adding new keyframe. Also change the bevel. Change the color of the bevel and press add keyframe. If you start this point at the second 0 and move to the 10th second. Starting a color, text starting a color, and at the second 0 hitting adding keyframe, then play button. It will start to move from that point I've added at the second 5, then to the second 10 where you place it at the end. Change the color according to the keyframe you've added from point 0 to the 10th second. Also you can change the light, the position. Also you can change different effects of the light like sun or adding fireworks. You can add space particles. It's like firework or flame. It will be applied over each other. You can move it. Just drag and move. After dragging and moving, you can delete it by pressing delete key. You can move the shape. You can modify it or change to a different one. You can use most particles, smokes. It will be presented as polygon and you can move its place. You can use rain particles. Also you can move it. You can snow particles. It's the best one. Also you can change its position or shape. These are different presets, you can try it, use it according to what you need. You can move it, rotate it, and scale it. This is applied for the fireworks, the flames, the sun. Then hitting save. You can save it as this preset. You can import any different 3D shape from this tool. Import any 3D shape, you can add it, modify it, or you can download it. You can import image from this button. Choose any image on your desktop. You can move the image, edit and modify it. You can change its place, position, its movement according to the timeline as a 3D object. You can move it, scale it in the depths, you can do linear movement. This is for these three tools. You can move the shape, modify it, modify its place, modify its position. You can double click to change it. You can rotate it. Also adding keyframe to save the position on a time frame. Hitting play button, it will move from the point of start to the point of the end, where you added the first keyframe. After training, you can quickly use any tool that's gonna show up in front of you. That's for all, and save it. With your observation, you don't have to use all the tools. Use imagination in a project. Think about it in some different way in your daily life.